guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you all, today we're back. You guys know we're back with another hair and makeup transformation video. So guys, as usual, my pretty model, she's here. She'll be popping very soon. So we're gonna be using Newstar. The hair is from Newstar, so it came as a bundle, but I made it into this wig. Okay, so this is the hair that we're gonna be rocking, guys. We're gonna be rocking this hair, slaying this hair. You all know we slay. She's gonna be popping. You guys know that slang, popping. So guys, I'm gonna try and do a talk through. So I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be telling you guys what I'm doing as I go. So you all don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Like, subscribe,
yes,
share.
guys. And you all know I'm on Instagram. Yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So I'm gonna be posting the final look. The pictures is gonna be on my Instagram. Okay, guys. And for those that don't get notifications because you subscribe or not the bell button. Some of them they don't always click the bell button so that you can get notified each time I upload any video. Okay, so guys, we're gonna start, and then yeah, you're gonna be seeing us anyway. So yeah, the link to the hair is gonna be in the description box as usual
below.
Yes, guys, open the description box because a lot of the time people always ask me, they don't know where the description box is. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's literally below.
Yes, guys, so just open it and you're gonna see the link and all the products, link, details, my contact details. Okay, see you guys. See you guys, this is what I like to use. I love to use this for the edges. So guys, now we're gonna put on the wig. Nice. Wow, I think with that foundation one not even need to bleach anything.
Yeah. Bleaching has just been extra.
You know why I like this hair as well? It's pre-plucked.
Oh really?
Yeah, I did not pluck the edges. See? Each time I create any part at all, I use this. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the glue. Tie down. I won't do the glue. I'll just apply the glue. Yeah, and that's it. Tie it. Okay. Yeah. So guys, now I'm gonna use this got to be. So now I'm gonna apply it. Leave the place a little bit. Not just almost, like literally just look.
Love it.
Yeah. Yes, at this point, I'm gonna tie, because this helps as well. Because the foundation, if it goes there, God, you see that funny line. We're gonna do the brows, so I'm gonna clean the brows with the razor. Yeah, so guys, I'm just cleaning the brows with the razor. So first of all, moisturizer, oil control lotion from MAC.
I think MAC needs to sponsor you.
I know,
Just use a lot.
MAC. So guys, primer done. Next, I'm gonna apply makeup magnesia on the brows section alone because it helps my brows to stay. Illuminating primer or illuminating base. So so now it's time to contour. I'm going to highlight with LA mascara. It's a foundation and this is the shade 243. Lighter than her complexion. But people always say MAC is a smile. Like, no, there are some brands.
And people buy them. Now people don't really wear MAC. They're more into the newer one. Even Fenty.
Because when people come to makeup party, they want to slay. It's not everyday makeup. So Fenty is just like
Everyday look.
Yeah.
Splendid, nice.
And I just like
Do you
it
like
too.
Slasher?
I prefer banana because it has a neutral tone. I don't like any
Slasher's
color.
too yellowy.
Yeah, sometimes for you to kind of, it depends on the complexion. Some people don't have yellow on the tone, so it's more of a neutral tone for me. Yes, so I just use that to set. Yeah, reverse contour. Bring that cheek out. Sexy face. So now let's contour. Contour. I've never actually seen powder. L'Oreal, mascara,
No. It's always foundation and
Thank you.
concealers. MAC just, that's the, and I like their Fix Plus.
yeah. They have that orangey and yellowy tone that just works. That's clever. They bought a contour palette for us. Put some
Some dark eyeshadow
shadow color
colours.
there, and just like this is the contour palette. Everybody's buying contour powder, contour palette, contour palette. Even the highlighting palette, it's just eyeshadows,
Yeah, shimmer.
shimmer eyeshadows. So they're just helping you to like create a palette where you can actually use your eyeshadow.
Sure.
You don't want it to be white in this world of makeup, otherwise your money is gonna finish.
And makeup is expensive. It's not cheap.
Tell me about it.
Not cheap.
Oh, they will make you feel like you need this, you need that, and at the end of the day, you're just gonna be buying a lot, you know. Yeah, brow time. Time to do the brows. My favorite part. Brows time.
The brows are always popping.
Yes, girl. I love popping brows. So yeah. So as usual, guys, we're not gonna be talking. Okay. Bye. Yes. Yes, I'm gonna do the other one, then I'll be back. Let's turn off the camera. So guys, the brows are done. Look at those brows, they're already popping. So now I'm gonna use a concealer to clean the brows. So I'm gonna use that to highlight the brows as well. So I'm using the lighter shade. I'm using the shade I used for the same one. Yep, so now for the beginning I'll use the same color of foundation. Same color of foundation for the beginning. So ooh, see what this? Girl, you're popping. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna blend. I love orange shadows. I'm gonna use orange as a base color. Yeah, then I'll use black after the orange. Yeah, there's my orange. You can use a different shade of orange, dark orange, bright orange.
Yellow is nice as well.
Yeah. Wow. Now So,
Transition color.
yes. Guys, this ice is smoking hot. I'm actually smoking and smoking until I'm happy with this. Yeah, I think I'm happy with the smokiness. So let's put on the red. Oh my god, girl. She's slaying. She's slaying, guys. So for the eyes, I'm going to use glitter. Glitter eyes. Glitter glue. And this glitter, yeah, this is from eBay. I bought this from eBay as well. This is very nice glitter glue. Very nice glitter glue is actually very expensive, but it's actually good. It makes the glitter shine. Other glitter makes the glitter it will be dull. This is just from eBay, just like £1. But with this glue, just makes everything shines. So I'm just gonna apply that here. Let's see. Wow. There's no product on my brush. Just go over. It's gonna make it look messy, yeah. Messy. Yep, it's messy. More messier. Wow, girl, you're popping. Wow, so now it's time for us to do the liner, dark liner underneath. Girl, when I do your lashes, you're gonna be slaying.
Is it gonna be dark, smoky? Yeah, it will look really nice.
Oh wow. I think I love to do makeup every day now. I don't like doing makeup on myself. I don't know why.
Yeah, same.
It's just like, I don't know. Other people, I'm excited. On myself, maybe because I know I'm gonna look. So, but when other people do things for you, because you know you're gonna look different, isn't it? It's more exciting. Yeah, so I'm using Ignite gel liner. Yep. This lashes is slay to the gods. Slay H. Yeah, I'm loving it. Okay, while that is cooking, let's blend the face. So the lashes is, we're gonna come back to the lashes, guys. Okay, I'm gonna press the lashes. So now let's blend the face. Length of example is from off a Y14, the gold collection. It's really nice, very soft as well. Look, just glides. Yeah, I can't know wait your hair comes down. Like you don't even have your hair, you're looking like this.
I know.
You know.
That'd be so nice.
Overslaying is worrying you. This is called over popping. Poppiness is real. On the face. Bring back those ones. So what I'm doing the liner at the top, then doing the liner, then I'll blend the neck. Yeah, eyeliner flick, ignite liner. Yep. Oh, you're popping. Glossy lip. This is from NYX. It's very subtle. Peachy. So this is number 3, brush 3. You see the way it looks?
Yeah.
Very subtle. I love it.
So pretty.
Yeah. with the hair. Hair is off, so I'm gonna apply powder there. So this time you have to use a very small brush, otherwise you'll be screwed. Like, oh, you are slaying. You are slaying to the gods. Her face is slayed. Okay, so now I'm going to change my brush. I use a blending one to blend everything. Say what? Say what? Say what? This is how everybody should look like when you wake up. She wake up like this. Actually, guys, this is how she wake up.
Yeah.
Yep. What lace, guys?
What lace?
So let's put the hair down.
It's filming.
Yeah.
We are, girl. We are filming. Let's zoom out. Let's see.
Trust me.
I love it.
But yeah, I'm gonna call you back. I just want to show you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye, girl.
Bye.
Yes, that's blue everywhere.